no sleep, bus, club, another club, another club, another club, plane.
Morning guys. Hey guys, I'm in a vlogging mode today, so I'm gonna vlog my day. Today is gonna be my first day outside. Let me close this blind so you guys don't see my whole life. It's quite early now. It's literally like to 10. Yes, so hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Jaydah and we do a lot of lifestyle, business and travel content over here. So if you like any of those, hit the subscribe button. Today is my first day outside since we had some of the lockdown rules lifted. So I'm just making breakfast, by the way guys. So me and the girls and I, we're going for brunch. It's Sunday, by the way. So yeah, I'm gonna just take you guys along. We have 2 reservations booked today. We have one at Cotton's at Vauxhall. That's a early brunch, and then we have another reservation at a Shisha Lounge just to catch a little vibe. Guys, cheers, 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 cheers. Hot. So we have it on eco because we're not really in a rush. Let's make it take a time wash. So guys, I'm going to have a wash now. I just wanted to show you this. I put this up a couple nights ago and I'm so proud of it. Like, I bought this like literally 2 months into moving in and now we're almost 6 months in and I'm just putting it up. But I'm just so proud. I thought it would have been a lot more technical than it was. Like, it literally didn't even take me more than 10 minutes. Let me go and shower and then I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, just hopped out the shower. I need to oil up my face. I need to zoom in some more. Okay, yeah, that's what I like it. Okay, so now I'm just going to style my hair. I wonder what I'm gonna leave behind me. Let's see. Oh, not really sure. Alright, good. Alright, I'm going to style my hair. I'm one of those people when I'm getting ready, everything needs to be out so I can see it. I wrapped my hair last night because I'm never really good at maintaining the style that the hairdresser do. So hopefully now it's easier for style that it wrap I'm supposed to look about it. So I just want to find where I'm going to find the middle first, which is where we're going to separate what's going forward, what's going back. And then I bring it around and find my side part. So my hair is basically done, like major. It's in the form that I want it in. So before I leave out, the only thing I need to do is literally just use this big T comb and go through the back and then use my finger, do the front, do my edges. But before I do my edges, I'm going to do my makeup. I don't know if I should show you guys that part because we're not on a storage, but I could do it same way. Here's my skin with the Ultra Repair Cream. My camera doesn't talk to you right now, but I'll hurry up, look a bit. I said I might give them vlog here today. I look like one lady E.
Did you make outfits?
No, I'm gonna show them yet. But I said I give them this morning breakfast and so I go there them slow me up. I go there and slow me up, you know. What else do you look?
Alright, this is what we'll have a go on today.
With the bag. But I should go out here.
No. Yeah, what them 3 outfits.
So this is what we're wearing today. I'm wearing an oversized blazer PLT. This silk overlace insert top from Zara. I've got these. It's almost like metallic kind of, but metallic going on, you know.
Yeah.
Trousers from Zara, and then I've got these blue heels. I showed you guys in the PLT try and hold from PLT. So this
Make go closer to the ears and give them details.
And then I'm just doing a simple B on the face with some nice matte lips, and then I just shadow it above hairstyle to give them the girl vibes.
Alright, so I love one people. You go down on the shoes, them and the 2 of them blue.
Pedicure for though, yeah.
Yeah. Alright, you're gonna leave.
Yeah. Alright. Thank you so much for waiting. Sorry about the trouble. Yes. Guys, so I'm settled in the cab now and everyone's on their way. Nicole, she's always on time, so she's already there. I'm probably like 30 minutes away now. But the weather is a hit and miss. It's a lot brighter this side than where we're coming from, than my side. So I feel like I'll be fine. But the thing is that with this English weather, like, it will look warm, but babe, it's still freezing as if it's winter, like absolutely freezing. I pulled down the window earlier and my hair got a bit messed up. I'm not sure if I want to have my hair forward in my face or if I want to have it like all layered up, like just like that. I like when it's like that. It just gives you a bit of edges and everything else. And I'm loving this bob right here and at the back. Yeah, this is not the outfit that I planned to wear. I wanted to wear this badass dress I got from Zara, but the weather isn't cooperating to wear that dress, so this will have to do with something simple, classic. Let me show you guys the weather. That's the walkie-talkie building. That's the walkie-talkie building. It's famous in London as a landmark. And this is a castle. Like a real life castle. I don't know if they do tours there. I don't actually know. I don't remember what they do over there. I don't remember. I've never visited it. I don't know if it's open to the public. But I know sometimes they have events like puppy events and stuff like that. And then now we're headed to Tower Bridge. Is this Tower Bridge or London Bridge? Tower Bridge, right. So now we're headed to Tower Bridge. Yeah, the weather is proper nice here compared to where we're coming from. So I think I'll be fine. Yeah, I was just checking how you're getting on.
I'm not.
What's wrong?
7 minutes away.
7, that's not bad. I'm probably gonna be behind you in the next 15.
Okay.
Let me know what the vibe is when you're there. Is it nice? Is it, what's happening?
I've been here before. It's lovely. It's literally like that.
That's dead. Why am I leaving my house to go there?
I mean, you guys said you wanted to go, so...
I mean, it's better than nothing. I've been to the one in Thingy before. It was in Shoreditch, and that one's a vibe. I've been there a couple times.
It was that great, but it was alright.
Nah,
okay.
Nah, because they play reggae tunes and stuff, so it's normally always a vibe.
They have background music and stuff, but it's not like...
But it's not a bougie place. No, I wasn't expecting bougie.
That's what I was saying about the hills.
I'm still in my heels.
You're crazy, man.
Someone's I think I'm going out afterwards. I'm not 100% sure. Let's just see how this day goes. You come up too? Jesus, this life is a bit mad, you know. It's way colder than where we're coming from. So these are the girlies. That's Nicole. No food anymore. This is Davis. Everybody eats, yeah. And then Jaydah at the bathroom. I'm gonna show you Jaydah in a minute. So I ordered so by the way, we're having brunch, right? So we have unlimited drinks and we get to order from the brunch menu. So I ordered a jerk pan chicken and crispy potatoes. Very basic, but nothing else look good. The steam, saltfish and callaloo. That's what David says, and she said it don't taste good. And I didn't want no, I didn't want no soupies and vegetable.
Okay, let's go.
From Joe. Cheers, 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 cheers. Let's down it, guys, and then get a refill. Jaydah, I tried to do a little camera roll. You didn't say hi. Switch covers her face. That's Jade. She camera shy.
Don't you have any fun? No, she did take really long. She did. 2 hours. 1 hour. I feel like I'm gonna do it again in May. I feel like this summer I'm gonna do it all the time.
No, this summer it makes sense. You just have to be out. You just have to be out. Look cute. Yeah.
Whenever it's out, it's gonna look really good.
Changing location now. This is the view of the waterfront. These are the girls. I think Nico's already gone to secure the table. We're gonna do some shisha now over here, and we just finished brunching at Cotton's. Oops, sorry. Thank you. We just finished brunching at Cotton's. It's actually a nice vibe, but I prefer the one in Shoreditch. Oop, the lighting's behind me. I prefer the one in Shoreditch because they're playing reggae music and stuff, but yeah, this is where we're going now to do a bit of shisha. Let's see how the day goes.
And it's short, it's only like 5 minutes. I had like 20 minutes, dude.
I've been on it.
It's not 20 minutes. It's probably about
It's not 20
10,
minutes.
15.
It's literally like 6 minutes. I'm telling you, it's short.
So guys, we're at this new spot now. We wanted to do shisha, but they said that they got a letter saying that they can't do shisha anymore. So, ooh, the food don't look bad. But it's them one we've got takeaway, Jade, so we can't even order. And the sushi. I could do the California roll. Waterfront. This is a model. This will be nice in the summer. The waterfront. This will be really nice.
I think it's nice now. It's a bit chilly.
Yeah, it's nice, but we can't do shisha. So what are we doing?
This guy's staring at us. You see, I think that's what he's supposed to.
No, please,
So come and come to us then and attend to us.
where's Rana go? Is she alright?
I think that she went to the toilet. Hello. We booked the table to do shisha, but we heard that you guys...
Yeah, we stopped before yesterday.
Day before yesterday?
Yeah. If we don't stop, we have to close the restaurant.
Oh.
And why was that?
So because of the corona, yeah? The coronavirus?
Yeah.
Even if we clean the shisha, we still have a chance to spread the virus.
Really?
Even though you use different mouth bits?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a bummer.
So and then we just like a notification, so we have to stop.
You have to stop it.
Otherwise we have to close the restaurant. So we're gonna be open tomorrow.
You can get heated and warm then.
Then we'll stay here for a while.
Then I'm good. They don't have no cards.
I think I want to do like pull that chair.
That's what I've been daydreaming about. A point somewhere TV.
Thank you.
I think I'll have that.
No, it's when you go to the clubs, and the clubs are like 15,
Yeah, that's true.
This is £10.
That's true. And it's turn on the eater.
I'm thinking, where should I
I'm
have
showing the
it?
eater. yes.
Thank you.
The heater is on. We're back in the game.
We're nice and warm. We're warm and ready.
No, I'm gonna be fried at the end of this. I'm gonna be done.
That's my friend.
I want to be done though.
I'm a little wild.
I haven't been done in a while.
I'm a little wobbly.
What are you doing after this? You see?
Okay, let's go.
Let me show you guys the view.
Is there? The heat on.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, their food is like
The burger look nice. The chips look nice.
I know, because I got mine.
Oh, thank you. Ta ta. The plastics are messing up the vibe. Thank you so much.
Jay just gonna wait for my one. Out of order.
No, literally.
Wait.
Guys, I've been dreaming about my porn star martini. Like literally.
I've been dreaming mine. And the sun's on this side now. You see God?
You see, or God?
Got big headed. I got a big. That's cute. Send me that.
With
video.
a lot of sense. That is proper cute. With a lot of sense inside. Maybe on the girls' one. I'm trying to do a proper sports day this year though with us. So something like that. That'll be the vibe.
You know, I'm so.
There's a partner in my house. I just need to get with the game.
I want to do Race for Life again because I've been exercising, so I feel like I'm fit. I actually could run the whole way. Like I dead off to run 5K. Really, like dead off. They're not doing it.
If they do, if I see it, I'll send it to you.
I haven't seen it advertised this year to be honest.
Yeah, no, I need to because I think I can be a bitch.
But even your body look good though. I can't believe it. It's mad.
I just need to be.
I feel like you should maintain it though. That's the thing.
what I'm saying.
Losing it is one thing.
I need to lose another stone.
You wanna lose more?
Yeah, from I got chest. I went on the
But
scale.
lose the leg them.
Nah, my legs won't go because it's in my family anyway. They won't go no matter how much weight I lose. It's not going anywhere. But I went on the scales and I lost a stone.
Thank you so much.
Look at Nicole's dessert, guys. Me and the girl. No, that looks yummy. That looks yummy.
Would you not like some?
No, thank you.
You said no. I can't eat all this, but man, don't
I can't eat all day.
It looks good.
You know you're gonna go man and eat. Guys, I just brought my seal.
You know the macaroni and cheese, is it like actually macaroni and cheese or is it like balls or something? Mac and cheese. It's mac and cheese. Can I have the macaroni and cheese?
What's
Porn star martini?
Can I have bottled
Yeah.
water? Bottled. Is it a big bottle? Yeah, so can we just get one big bottle to share it between us? I think we should do tap water. Yeah. Just take the tap water. Take the tap water. No tap water. I'm so scared of
Thank you. And yes, so vanilla ice cream if I can, please. Just one. Yeah.
Guys, I didn't get a top thumbnail. I don't have the time to get a thumbnail, so. And the lighting is. What the?
How much did you pay?
Okay, that's nice. How much are you, madam?
£6, please.
£6 for my dessert. For my dessert.
Thank you.
Yes, Lord. Me can't complain. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna go see my friend now, and then I'm gonna catch up with you guys in a minute. Okay. These are the scenes that we're leaving.
Does anyone need more water before we go? Huh?
Guys, I'm just reaching. I took my ring stuck on my finger. I've been trying to take it off for about 10 minutes and look on it compared to that on here, on the finger here. So it did a lot, it did way more red. Like then yesterday did a lot more swollen and stuff. So I'm gonna just push it back down for just leave it. I'm gonna sleep with it tonight because I'm gonna have the mental capacity for this kind of drama. But the day did nice. I just reach in my yard now. But you know when you're hungry.
What kind of food you buy?
Girl, me forgot to run and buy food in this economy.
No food that you get from the road.
I will bring back.
So now that means what kind of food you buy, please?
Oh, first of all, the food at that one here never nice as the food at Shoreditch. I feel like Shoreditch food nicer, yeah.
Same brunch then?
Yeah, Neo Cottons. Shoreditch nicer. And then them I play music indoors, none outdoors. Oh, that makes sense.
Oh, that makes sense. But the outdoor is something there.
But girl, them never short of the drinks. They must have full stuff, so man, so boy. Bottom is right through.
Wow.
So you know
I never come up with it.
girl, they're not even now wait for you reach the bottom before them full.
Wow.
As you sip, so this one here, them that over in there.
My face you get the money's worth though.
So true that we don't want to eat, we just want to drink.
You just want to drink.
Oh, so
You never eat before you're going.
yeah. So I'm never hungry. It's that time I reach. So I'm just munch and say, you know, because the thing is this I be white people.
Really?
Yeah. Whereas Shoreditch one are mostly black people, so it just look like
More bad than Shoreditch.
vibes in there Shoreditch. So I said, okay, we'll definitely prefer the Shoreditch one. Yeah, so it just have a nice view.
Different ones though.
Yeah, but that area there though, the riverbank, it would have nice for go back. Because the view, girl,
Really?
when the sun hot,
You get my picture?
no.
Why?
Girl, you know I'm gonna just do it in other moments.
Yes, it's gonna capture it.
I'm gonna capture it, yes.
Could I get a little pic?
I'm gonna get one of my outfit because I want to be my thumbnail.
Not even that down?
I'm going to buy a thumbnail, my armor. I'm gonna screenshot one of them in the car because somebody look cute. And my skin just a go on, so.
Everything to the thumbnail that nice too.
Eh? If me just stand up cute to one corner. Yeah. Next time though, at the first vlog this and give me a little try, I'm really excited. Outside just at home, I don't know what to do.
But what kind of food them sell? American food like chips and stuff?
No, Cotton's a Jamaica restaurant.
Oh really?
I just chicken this, maybe get taste it, must have warm it up in a minute.
Okay.
We're gonna get collard and saltfish, but it's never nice. Jaydah and Nicole get a fry up with waffle. Your platen, your egg, your whole works, your sausage, everybody. And then you have
Everyone who says a Jamaican restaurant.
no one, the Shoreditch food, banging, banging. We're gonna do about 3-4 times, we couldn't get enough. It's nice. But down here, well, the jerk chicken I'm getting about, but now like the sauce nice, but
You know that remember me of the seafood place where you said me one time.
fat crab.
You still need to try the seafood.
Wanna go?
No?
Wanna
No? We don't go? We don't go here.
go? So you need to try this one. Could I make it yourself? Could I make it yourself? Can I shop around the soda? And the tiger prawn and probably just like one cup or one cup stuff. Big people, I just want to cook food now. Yeah, girl, but the Shoreditch one can't fault them, man. And them have one jerk platter. Them give a little bit of jerk wings, them give a little bit of jerk prawns, a little bit of jerk seafood, a little bit of jerk right. Food nice. But that one here, that one here for white people.
Because of the year, which year right
A Vauxhall.
That's the year.
A Vauxhall on there for the white people then.
That's right. But when you stop see a shortage then, last shortage.
So someone could try something for everybody know how shortage you understand.
You will say, if they want this not shortage, you can go somewhere else.
So we just go next door. Oh.
Next door.
Next door is alright, but them food, the next door food look nice. That's how we can go. So what them want to go back after work one day for try the food next door because the food look banging. And apparently them have one of the best ones.
Really?
So them have vibes.
You kind of change the vibe.
That's what.
That's true.
That's what we did. I say. That's what we did. I talked to the lady and I said.
That's true. Like, they want to literally get their own thing.
That's suspicious.
So people did that on the road today?
Girl. Yeah, but you never. I mean, the restaurant them definitely high traffic.
Really?
Definitely. People out. People out. People out. People definitely out, but safe out. I like in the crowd, nobody now walk up in your neck back.
Yeah.
You just walk freely, so. But no man, once you're out, you go and stay out. You don't want to come home.
You don't want to come home.
No, I don't want to come home.
Where's that got a person for OT? They just want to stay out there, like 1x. Why is the can tonight?
So we just go next door, build a vibe. There's a chat. And they'll say, alright. I think I ate this.
I know two club like that, but girl, when we used to talk, that's maybe my father said last time when we put a shake a leg. Party.
Yeah.
But you know, when you normally go party, you just want to hear the loud music, they have the time and everything.
In your ears drum.
I think me that year telling them was something that they miss them going to the bathroom. And you have like this one drunk girl that comes, guess the babes.
You look so cute. Oh my god, where's your dress from? I love it. You're absolutely gorgeous. Not even if my vlog come out good, so I'm just in at the moment. I just can't try and put her on one side. I don't know. So in editing time I can filter. But let me say eye to the camera, so that's a big move. Let me say eye. I vlog.
So the name themselves in the vlog was I.
No, I have to introduce them. So this is a good Nicole.
Yeah.
This are that. I know how you have to make the black people them know what go on. All our fresh black people, I'm just a goodbye to them now. Now eat that little leftovers here, have a fresh, then go to my bed. The day never bad though, I'm not complaining. The day never that bad. The day never bad at all. So I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Guys, I think it's working. Jesus is Lord. Jesus is Lord. Have mercy. My finger don't know. It's not something that I did. My blood stop. Like sad, but it's a come off, you know, but guys. Come on, Derricka. Come on, you can do this. You can do this. It's a question, this goodie. Listen here. It's a work, you know, but boy, the finger feel like it's gonna drop off of my hand. Guys, my finger red. You see me there, YouTube, that saved my life. Jesus Christ. Oh, this come off? No, Derricka. I'm going to continue or I'm going to push it back. When I think continue, I'm going to try one last time. Because it's a work, you know, but boy, the pain. Jesus, don't make me lose the finger. Zo. Bumba, the finger get blue. Bumba. Bumba. No, I got the doctor. I got A&E. I got A&E. I got A&E. Guys, the bottom of my finger that get blue. I got A&E. But no one got the hospital though, you know. I'm gonna try again later because it did a work, you know, but at the when I reach at the something because it did actually work. I don't know why I not focus on the finger, but yeah, look. See the fingertip did I get blue there? Well, I'm just still tired work, but look. I'm gonna try again later.